say they've been unfairly trapped in bad mortgage deals have taken their fight to the High Court. It's after their loans were brought by the TSB-owned lender Whistletree during the 2008 financial crisis. Daniel Rosney has been speaking to some of those affected. Their stories can be upsetting.
These 8 campaigners represent 2,500 people who've taken this claim to the High Court. They argue they were left trapped like prisoners, paying well above the standard market interest rates after their loans were moved from the Northern Rock Bank when it collapsed. Although interest rates now of more than 5% aren't uncommon, this group says they've always been paying way above what others have.
People were paying 1% and 2%. We were paying 5% and 6% for over a decade. We couldn't remortgage, we couldn't move, we couldn't get out of these mortgages. We're now at 8, 9, 10. We've even got people on 13%.
Many had taken out interest-only mortgages. Others had self-certificated their income without having to prove their earnings. This, plus tougher affordability checks post-financial crash, meant borrowers like Martin couldn't move lenders.
Our mortgage payment was about £460 with Northern Rock. It doubled with Whistletree, and every time the interest rates went up, their interest rates went up. The interest rate was 7.75%. We had a mortgage for £138,000 and we were paying £2,500.
A month?
A month.
This hearing is expected to last until Thursday, but a decision probably won't be made public at least until the autumn. And while there are only a dozen or so campaigners inside the court today, there are estimated to be tens of thousands at home that could be impacted by whatever the judge concludes. This case is against TSB, which rejects the claim its customers are mortgage prisoners. The bank says more than 2/3 who came from Northern Rock had either moved to a new product or closed their mortgage with the brand. In this case, the average claim is between £20,000 and £30,000. The financial stress took its toll on some campaigners, like Monica, who says she hit rock bottom as she felt she was constantly firefighting rising bills.
But it got so bad that I couldn't see any way out of it, and I looked at taking my own life and getting the insurance policy, because I then thought the family could move on with that, because you can't see, when you're in that dark place, you can't see anything other than, you can't see any light.
This could be the first of multiple cases, with potential for other banks to have their day in court as well. Daniel Rosney, 5 News.
And if you've been affected by issues raised in Daniel